Medyo tindigan mo first half at ano bang magandang nagawa ni team during the second half?
I think obviously we really focus on our after the first half. After my talk during the halftime, I really emphasized us playing defense. Actually we had a slow start offensively, but I think defensively we're on track. During the first half, and then we still I still emphasize it really at the second half to play defense. Because obviously we can score anytime, diba? The question is, can we get a stop? Yun yung parating challenge ko sa mga players ko sa team ko. We really have to focus on playing defense. Yun lang.
Coach, congratulations. Coach, ako pag nag-defense, usually sila uneasy, sila in-import nila despite having their numbers, pinarapan sila on the defensive end.
Yes, actually our goal is really to lower down the scoring output, because they're really, I think they're scoring above 100 every game. So this game we really challenge ourselves to maintain or to limit them to their average, but I didn't expect that we can limit them to 70 points. But I have to give credit to my players that they play the game, and they really focus on the defense, which is really what we need this coming weekend. Hopefully we can play defense like this also, and against we're playing this Friday and Sunday's game. We're playing the top two teams, so and this is a good win for us going to that game. Good confidence boost for our team going to that game with the 2-game winning streak, and playing a good defensive game this game, and hopefully we can continue to get better.
Great, congratulations. Since you've come over, you've always been unbeaten, talk about your presence and how is the team adapting to you after 2 games?
So far so good. I didn't catch the first part of Coach's last statement, but I imagine he said, what we've been focused on is defense, and I think that's what the reasoning behind a little bit of our sloppy offense, especially in the first half. But to hold a team to 70 points that averages over 100 a game, that's the kind of basketball we want to play. And Coach told us before the game, all we got to do is win by 1 point. Now, obviously, we did a little better than that tonight, but holding a team to 70 points, that's what's going to get us wins in this league, and offensively things are going to settle in, especially for me as I get used to the physicality and things. I had a better second half, but it's not all about me, it's about our team, and we had some guys come off the bench and play great minutes for us in the second half, and overall, like we've been saying, we want to play defense, and we did a great job of that tonight.
Coach, pwede lang, kasi nga 2-game, you guys are now in the midst of a 2-game winning streak, entering Friday's game, Clasico. Alam naman natin na
Clint doesn't know the history of the game on Friday, and I don't want to put this in. Yeah. So he's been researching about it basically. But again, I think going to that game, we don't want to go into this game. We don't want to focus on that first. We really want to focus on this game, and then now going to the practice tomorrow. Now we can focus on Ginebra. Ginebra first. So I mean, Manila Clasico. It just happened that it's really it's a big game for the PBA, for the fans. But overall. As a team, we are really focusing on the things that we want to worry about, the things that we need to get better. Yung importante sa amin, just have to get better moving forward. It just happened that again Friday Manila Clasico, but definitely, hopefully we can play better game on Friday, because I know Ginebra will be ready after the bad loss last game, I know they're gonna. I know Coach Tim. He's gonna make his team ready going to this on Friday's game. So we'll be ready also definitely because not because it's Ginebra and Manila Clasico, but because we need to get ready because we're still below 500 in the standing. No? So yes, it's Manila Clasico. It's big, probably bigger than any of the normal game, but I'm not worried about that. I'm worried about us. How we will play on Friday and then after Friday. So yun lang yung importante sa akin yan, and that's the most important thing right now.
Coach, ano lang, si Paul start for the first game is
Well, again, just like what I've said before, I don't have any problem with my bets. Whether they play bad the first 2 games or 3 games, they're still my bets. They're gonna get their time. They earn that. Ganun talaga. Siyempre, kahit naman sila, mga veterano, nag-a-adjust din sila sa gusto ko ipagawa sa kanila. They're not used to that kind of system. Wala pa silang habit na gusto ko ipagawa sa kanila. To be fair to them. But, they're really trying their best. They're really trying their best to catch up doon sa sistema na gusto kong pagawa sa kanila. And they're struggling, no doubt. Everyone's struggling, not only our vets. But I'm sure pag nakuha na nila, parang ano yun yun lang yung parang bagong relationship. Nagkaroon ng 7-8 years na relationship, all of a sudden nag-iba. Di ba? Ganun lang yun. Ngayon, nag-a-adjust sila. Di ba? Ulit. Diba? Masakit para sa kanila kaya nagsa-struggle sila, tama ba? So, ganun lang 'yun. Parang ganun lang 'yun. So, but eventually they will get it.
Coach, nalamin ko na rin yung guys. Parang can you just ask you lang about sa nagiging production ni Rome? Kasi parang even struggling kayo, medyo consistent yung nagiging production niya.
The way I look at Rome, he's the anchor of our team defensively. He's getting his points, bonus points na lang sa akin 'yun para sa kanya. Pero defensively, yun talagang gusto kong ipa-focus sa kanya. And he's been doing it. That's why he's playing, not because of his offense. Because he's really the anchor of our defense, especially start of the game.
Magandang mo lang kay Baroka. Baroka.
Well, si Mark he's always ready. He's a vet that anytime you need him, he will deliver. Whether it's points, defense, lock in niya yung isang player, or getting the rebounds, makapagpalitan ng mukha, that's Mark Baroka. Again, he will be the same player definitely in this system. And syempre, sanay na rin siya sa ganung sistema na sa kanyang ginagawa. So, I have to give it to him.
Great to close it out this 2018 on Friday, Justin Brownlee, and on Sunday, Justin Patton.
Well, we got to take it one game at a time, and I've been watching as much as I can of the league, and I watched their game last. So, we obviously know that they're going to come out for blood. So, we have to focus on ourselves. We have to focus on our defense and work on these next 2 days to get better. So. The most important thing is that we focus on what we need to do and game plan and be ready. So I'm excited about it, and I know everybody else is.
Thank you.
Hey, thank you.